fire prevention is our intention. We are into fire safety for half the century. We design, supply, install, train and maintain fire extinguishers, fire hydrant systems, fire alarm system and fire sprinkler systems. We take up projects on turnkey to equip the premises with fire and safety. These systems are designed, supplied, installed and maintained by us. We do have a training vertical where we emphasize the importance of fire prevention and firefighting. We cater to hotels, hospitals, commercial buildings, residential complex, villas, factories, warehouse and many more. We have the fantasy products like Fireball and designer fire extinguishers to complement your expensive interiors by adding aesthetic value and to solve the problem of fire at home. Always remember, fire, its cure is costly and its prevention is cheap. I am Jaya Balaji, Managing Director, Muthu Fire Engineering Co. Thank you.